Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and remove a pro in CapCut. But before that, please to make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first thing you're gonna go is simply gonna go ahead access your CapCut, right? Let's go back. And here in this edit section you're gonna find that particular pro icon. Once you have got that pro subscription for yourself, you're gonna go ahead tap on it, and then it will show you what is new right there in the pro and what is the features, including the settings gear icon beside. Go ahead tap on it and you will find all kinds of information regarding how many days it has been since you got the monthly subscription. If it for that, make sure that you have completed the service itself. You have paid for a month and you have used it, and it's supposed to end tomorrow, so tonight you are going to cancel. Make sure you have used as much you have paid, and then you're going to find this option called cancel membership by then. Go ahead tap on it. It will ask for you to reconfirm it. Go ahead reconfirm the cancellation, and then you will be able to simply cancel your subscription from pro here in CapCut like that. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.